In this video, I'm about to reveal how to create a complete YouTube video in just 15 minutes. And the best part? Most of it is absolutely free. We'll be utilizing some mind-blowing AI tools to make this magic happen. And trust me, it's like having a YouTube production genie at your fingertips. But wait, here's the insider information, folks. To make this happen, you'll need to know the secret language of AI. That's right, I'm talking about communicating with our virtual assistant buddies. Because, hey, you might have the best ideas, but if you can't make your AI buddies understand you, your video might just fall a bit flat. Fear not, we've got you covered, and we're going to share some tips on cracking the AI code. And here's the exciting part. We'll be putting two amazing tools to work, ChatGPT and the game-changing vidIQ. Trust me, they're a dynamic duo you don't want to miss out on. But before we dive in, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button if you're ready to revolutionize your content creation game. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to stay in the loop on all things YouTube. You won't want to miss the amazing content we've got coming your way in 2024. The new secret feature on vidIQ is they added ChatGPT into the program, along with some extra modifications. They've integrated ChatGPT into their website and fine-tuned it specifically for YouTube. Let me show you first. We will use vidIQ to brainstorm some video ideas that will capture viewers' attention and generate a lot of views. To do this, sign up on vidIQ, head to the AI Coach section, and select a topic. For example, if you run a channel about luxury lifestyle, type in most luxurious cars to get 5 unique video ideas. If you don't like the suggestions, you can request 5 more. I decided to go with a luxury car video idea. Next, I need to come up with a catchy video title. vidIQ makes this easy by providing suggestions. I chose the title, The Most Expensive Cars in the World, A Glimpse of Luxury. vidIQ also suggested an alternative like Inside the World of Million-Dollar Luxury Cars, which was also a good option. Next, we will use ChatGPT for the script writing, which excels in generating lengthy content. You can instruct it to write about specific topics, such as The Most Expensive Cars in the World, A Glimpse of Luxury. ChatGPT may require some revisions in order to meet your requirements, but once you do, just keep prompting it until you get the results you are happy with. This ensures you end up with an informative YouTube script. You are aiming for in-depth coverage with your script, discussing techniques with 5 to 7 sentences on each topic. Keep engaging in a back-and-forth conversation with the bot until you are satisfied. ChatGPT can also provide you with your closing statement for the video as well. In just a few minutes, we have a title and a script, taking about 30 seconds for each section. Next, we create the video using invideo.io, which can be accessed down in the links below. Everything we are doing today can be done with the free plan. I do have the paid plan as it provides better footage, music, transitions, and more to enhance video quality. But even using the paid plan of InVideo saves you money versus hiring to have your videos made by editors. As we delve into this, go to Create New and select Editor. Choose the landscape option because it aligns with the dimensions of a YouTube video. It will open up the online editor. To set the video's duration, add a placeholder image. Go to Images, select any image, and resize it to match your video's intended length. I'm aiming for a video of about 6 minutes, so I'll set it to approximately that length. Again, this is just a placeholder. Next, you can add the voiceover. In the past, this used to be a complex task, but now all you have to do is record it directly in the editor. You can use an external microphone, your built-in microphone, or even have the software generate a voiceover for you. I prefer recording my own voiceovers, as it takes only a few minutes and I can incorporate my own vocal nuances and expressions. Click on VoiceOver and select the method that suits you best. For the automated text-to-speech option, simply copy the entire script and paste it in this section. Then, choose a voice, and it will generate a complete voiceover and place it on the timeline. For our example, I'm going to use VoiceOver. I'll choose to record my voice and then proceed to record it directly into the InVideo software. After clicking the record button, I'll quickly capture the audio. Are you ready to take a glimpse of ultimate luxury? Once we have the voiceover, we'll have 2 separate clips on 2 different lines. Now let's add the actual video content. It's quite simple. On the left, you'll see the video option, which provides access to numerous stock videos. Even if you're not on a paid plan, there are plenty of video options available. I'll type in a keyword such as cars to find relevant video clips. Upon previewing or selecting a clip, I can add it to the timeline. Adjust the size of the footage as needed to fill up the screen. Next, I'll switch to a more detailed view. I'll listen to a 5 to 10 second section, then continue adding more footage. Each new video creates a new timeline, which I can simply drag to the end of the previous one. Now we have multiple videos in place with the voiceover. To make our video more engaging and attract more views, let's add some text to it. Click on the text option, and you'll find various templates to add text to different parts of the video. I'll add text when introducing each point of the video. For example, I'll choose the Aston style and drag it to a separate timeline for text. My first point is about featuring the structure of a luxury car. I'll choose an Aston's template and add it to the timeline above. This will serve as the text for this part of that video. Now I can easily manipulate the text. I can click on it and edit it by simply going to the right spot and making changes. I also have the option to play around with various font styles if I'm feeling creative. We're aiming to produce videos quickly for a channel without a specific host, so I'm going to keep things simple and move on. So here's what I'll do for step number 1. Luxury cars. I'll even add an extra line here for clarity. Editing it is quite straightforward, and if I want, I can add animations or other effects to make it more engaging. Moving on, I'll continue adding text to different parts where it makes sense to have it on the screen. This part is easier than redoing all the previous steps. I'll just copy and paste the text, placing it where it's needed. Editing is necessary only once. Now, let's discuss adding music, which is a breeze. We'll go to the section on the left where all the actions are happening and click on Music. There's a wide selection of genres to choose from. Typically, we prefer something inspiring rather than aggressive for YouTube videos. So we pick a piece we like, click the plus sign to add it, and it appears as a new music timeline. I'll place it at the start, but remember to adjust the volume to make it less overpowering, so you can be sure to hear the voices over the music in the final cut. So, where are we now? We have this intro with accompanying music. Are you ready to embark on a thrilling journey as we unveil the most expensive cars in the world? Join us as we delve into the world of opulence and innovation, taking a closer look at these incredible machines of luxury. So, are you prepared for an exclusive peek into the epitome of automotive extravagance? I'm actually impressed with this initial video. I think it did a great job for free software. Now, all we have left is creating a thumbnail and writing a description. For making a thumbnail, we'll use a tool called Midjourney, which is an AI image creator. It's quite versatile, but the quality depends on how well you describe what you want. To use Midjourney, you'll need Discord. Once in Discord, find a newbie room and click on it to enter it. You can view images and artwork by Midjourney users. Type /imagine and provide your prompt, such as realistic image of red Lamborghini with a long road background, specified as colorful and bright, followed by --AR16:9. 8K thumbnails with vibrant colors perform better on YouTube. Hit enter and wait 30 to 40 seconds for 4 image options. Choose one you like best, for instance, the upper right, YouTube. Click to upscale that image, and the AI will provide a full-size version. While this is in progress, head to VidIQ and use the AI coach to generate a video description for a luxury car video, taking about 10 seconds. With video, description, title, and thumbnail set, you're ready to upload and gain views. This approach helps manage a faceless YouTube channel, produce numerous daily videos, and grow without extra costs. 2024 promises to be a year like no other for YouTube. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on making money online. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below.